Let's learn how you can modify an Android app that learns Google Ads. So I know this works for most of the applications. Here we are going to use a tool called Patcher. I know this tool has been there for years, so to say, and this one is selective as it works just on certain apps that lacks advanced security. So we have apps like code editor, which is this one. Usually this one a lot of time to edit some codes when I'm not using the PC. So I feel it's good that I disable some ads. So let's save this one. Now what it does is immediately you save, as you can see, this is a red and head that has popped up. Immediately you just save. It gives you a random ad that is just so annoying. So here you can see I'm saving, another ad has popped up. So this is what we want to disable in this tutorial. So what you are going to do is if you haven't downloaded Patcher, you just go to your, because this app is not available on Google Play, so you just go to Chrome, then you search Patcher, then you just follow the first link. So you just follow this first link here, then it takes you to the official website of Patcher. So here you've got an option to download this app. So once you download it, you actually find it in your file manager. So you open your file manager and then go to APK. So let it wait for to load. So you open it and you probably find the Patcher there. So as you can see, it is here. This is the Patcher. So I've already installed this one and I'm not going to do that again. So after that, you can actually download any app that you want to modify from Google Play. So for me, I've chosen to modify this one, which is code editor. So what you do is you go to Patcher. After you install that Patcher, it must show among the apps. So you click there. Then we wait for it. Then you just search for the app that you would like to modify. So in our case is the code editor. So it is this one. So here you have these options. Then you are going to choose this option, which is the main of patchers. That is the one that you are going to choose. You click there, and then here you can see a number of options through which you can modify your, or ways through which you can modify your APK. So one, you can have custom patch applied APK. Then we've got these two most interesting options, which is to remove the APK Google Ads, or to remove the ads from that APK, or to allow in-app purchases. So what this one does is that instead of you using your money or whatever to upgrade to maybe a paid plan, you can actually modify this app to get that for free. So that is not, I think, the topic of this lesson. Here we are going to focus on this one, which is APK without Google Ads. So that is the one that you are going to click. So after you click that one, it will bring you this one. Then here what you just need to do is you leave everything as they are. You just click on rebuild the app. So we are rebuilding the app, and watch what happens. So this is going to take a little bit of time depending on the size of the APK file. So this will take like a minute and some seconds, so let's be patient here. So this is interesting because it actually gives you the freedom of running an app without any interruptions by these annoying ads. Yes, that is only good for, for developers and not the end users. If you can't end, then you just use the free version of that. So let's wait for this to finish. Okay, so as you can see, it is taking quite some time, but it is almost done. So it is done. So after it is done, you are likely to receive this message to say stream from adblock, so removed. So this is the most important thing here, which is the strain from adblock listing. It is now removed, as you can see. Then there are also some additional patching that have been done here, and then there are also those that have failed, because like I said, it can only modify some parts of the application and not everything. But the most important thing here is that it has successfully removed the Google Ads. So what you do is you just click on browse. Like here, in the past I modified this several times, so as you can see here, you are not going to have all this thing, but you may have just one file. So you just click there, then you click on uninstall and install. Uninstall and install, just click yes. Then it will ask you to confirm this, to say, do you want to uninstall this app? So this one, what it will actually do is it is going to uninstall the original app, which was installed from Google Play, and then you install a modified version. So let's do that. So it is actually installing the original APK. Now this one it is going to install is the one that we have just modified. And the good part is after you have modified this app, you can even post it online, or you can share it with your friend and you can enjoy the same privileges. So as you can see, it is saying finished successfully. So let's launch it. So let's launch it. Okay, so now let's give it permission. Go back. Now as you can see, previously when we just type anything, or when we are saving, it will bring up those Google ads. So now this time around, let's try the same. So let's try to save this one. Okay, as you can see, there are no ads here. You can type all you want, you can save with no ads at all. Then you can also load some of the files. Like in my case, I can load some of my codes. So let me just show you that. Okay, so yeah, I can load even these codes, and I can edit how I want. I can save this, and it actually works with no ads. So friends, this is how you can actually modify any application that lands Google Ads to allow the normal flow of an application. You can try this on so many application and see if it works for you, but I think it actually moves ads. And if you are lucky, if your application has the in-app purchases, this one also works. So thank you.